I think we spend the best $3.50 of our lives. Right,
I
Gussie?
spent $13, but
Yeah, because you got a skateboard too. Gussie, right? Right? Right.
we all got these things and they're amazing. Watch.
Mine's blue because mine's the coolest. Because it's blue.
How many times do you have to say that?
We got these at Walmart. They're Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle things. They're in the fishing section, last aisle, the far left-hand corner of Walmart. So go get them.
Not every Walmart.
Is the same, KK.
I know, but the one by
In KK's mind, every Walmart is the exact same. Right, KK? Right.
Yep.
Right. Right. Come on, it's not that hard to reel in.
Well, mine's not reeling.
Mine's broken.
You idiots.
I'm stealing it. Oh, it's part of yours. Let's see you do this then.
Okay.
Okay.
You take the camera.
Okay. You have to put that on.
I have to put it on. Really?
Yeah.
I have to tie a knot. Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's the challenge, guys. That is a hard challenge to beat, guys.
Yep.
Just to tie a knot. Guys, what are you doing?
Your feet are in the target, idiot.
Oh. Well, go.
Sorry, I have to tie this knot that you can't tie.
Guys, you suck. Blue bucket, I'm calling it this try.
Boom. First try. First try.
Okay. Here we go. Okay. So next one.